Let's do some advanced examples of Excel. Okay. If you see, okay, now let's see, we have few names over there. Few names, you can say that if I write few names, Mustafa, Nicole, and Regan, Adams, Jack, Lee. You can see in the names, what is the issue here? If you see the names of the employees or salesperson name, what is the issue here? Nicole, can you identify what is the issue in all these names?
They're formatted differently.
Yes, this is the issue. Means few are in the caps, few are in the small, formatting are not correct. And I want to convert all these letters in the upper format. Okay, how I can do that? By using the function upper. Select the data. Automatically it will convert the cell into the upper format. How easily I can move into the upper format? Likewise, it is possible that you need to convert into the lower format. Simply apply the function, apply the lower, get your data, automatically it will move into the lower format. Now you can see all the issues have been removed. All the name, all the small caps are moving into the lower format. Likewise, you can move into the proper format, is equal to proper. Select the cell, just got your desired answer. In the proper format, you will see only the first digit will be highlighted in capital, all will move into the small. Okay, got my point? We learned how to apply the upper function, lower function, and proper function. Clear? Nicole, Rajan, clear?
Yep, we're good.
Good.
Nicole? That's great. Okay, now the question arises, let's say if you see there are the names that contains few spaces. If I write my few name with extra space. If you write here the name with, you can say Nicole Hancock. You can see that although the name has been written, but it contains extra spaces. How can I remove these spaces? Any idea? Let's say we have a Mr. Reagan, Jimmy Adams, Jack Lee, etc. You can see that although the names have been converted into the upper format, lower format, proper format, but still you can see there is a space, and I want to get rid of these extra spaces. How can I remove that? Any idea? Jack, Nicole, any idea? Sorry, Regan, not Jack. For that purpose, in Excel, we can use the function called trim. Trim will remove extra spaces. Is equal to trim. Pick the text. Automatically, you will see extra spaces happen. In a single click, you can see the magic of Excel. By using simple clicks, I can get my desired answer without any hassle. That's why I always prefer my students to learn Excel. This will increase your productivity. Let's assume you have the staff name that is more than, let's say, 5,000, and you want to remove these extra space. If you don't know the shortcut, you will go there, remove the space again and again, and it will just destroy your whole weekend, isn't? Like by using trim function, we can remove the extra spaces. Now the question arises, though we have removed the extra spaces, but still the names are not in the proper format. For that purpose, we applied two functions in a single cell. How? Let's see if I apply this like trim upper function. How can I apply the two function here? Let me show you. Equal to trim means I want to remove the extra redundant spaces in my character. Then inside the trim, I will apply the upper function. Now you can see I have applied two functions in a single cell. Then select your text. Close your parenthesis. If you see in the parenthesis, red has been closed because this is the internal bracket or internal parenthesis, then outside parenthesis. Now you can see automatically the text have been converted into the upper format, and like extra spaces also have been removed. Simple drag down. Now you can see extra spaces also have been removed and numbers have been the text have been converted into the upper format. Can you repeat, Nicole? What is proper, upper, lower, trim and upper?
Honestly, that one was a little bit, I have to follow it again.
Don't worry. Let me remove it. Let me go back.
So,
Let me delete it. I was saying that you can see there is a staff name and there is a, you can say, the formatting issue. Formatting issue means there are extra spaces between first name and the last name. Few are in capital, few are in small, few are in not in the proper format. And for that purpose, there is a few functions in Excel like upper, proper, lower, trim. Upper function basically convert all the text into the upper format by using upper, select the text. There is a single argument, just do this and drag it to the down. Clear up till now? Dragon, it is clear?
Yeah, this is good. I understand it.
Right. And Nicole?
yes,
You good?
it's good. Thank you.
Okay. Then I can convert into the proper format as well. Proper format means first letter will be capital, then all of the letters will be the small. Wow, just do it. Likewise, we can convert into the lower format. Though one issue has been removed. One issue means we just change the formatting, but still there is an extra spaces in all these solutions. Here you can see extra space, extra space. Here I can remove the extra space by using trim function. I just do it. But though I remove the extra space, but still formatting is not correct. For that purpose, I will apply the two function in a single cell. Trim plus upper. That's it. Means I want to remove the extra spaces and I want to convert the text into the upper format. Is equal to trim tab. Now inside your trim function, you will apply another function, that is upper, lower, whatsoever is your requirement. Press tab. Now you can see there are two functions in the formula bar. Then select your text. First function closed, second function closed. Means cell have been moved into the upper format first, then it will remove the extra spaces from E3. And in the E3, you can see this is the name. Simple, drag it down and you will get your desired answer. Got it? Nicole, yep. Fine?
Yes,
Nicole,
thank you.
can you share your screen and do the same thing?
Mm-hmm.
Will you, Nicole, I am asking to Nicole. Nicole, can you share your screen?
I'm trying. Let me just click on it.
And create a few data sets in front of us. And again, you can help her if she is not moving in the right way. Zoom in. Okay. Write few names with certain issues, then apply the proper, upper, lower, and trim functions. Always starts with heading. First write the heading. Why are you writing these names? And write the names with first name and the last name so that we may create some problems, then we will fix it. Write the name with first name and the last name with some spaces. Very good. By this, you will get practice in Excel spreadsheet. Wow. Very good. Please explain what you are doing. We can't hear you. You are a teacher now. Nicole, please explain what you are doing, which function you are applying, where you are applying, what is the issue you are facing, so that we may help you.
Hold on, I'm having trouble with this part. So it's like I click on it and I should press enter and it should go, right? Hello?
Yes, I can hear you. What are you saying?
So this one, I like clicked on this part and then I went like this.
No. You are not dragging it. Drag it down, then you will apply your function. Click on the cell again and drag from the bottom right side, where there is a small,
Yeah.
yes, drag it from there. Yes. Now you will
Oh,
get
I
it.
don't know why it wasn't doing that. I guess I didn't drag it. Okay.
Doing for others as well. Explain us.
Okay, so do that. And then I'm gonna do this one.
Very good.
Oh gosh. Okay. Oh no. Hold on. Copper. Tab. This. Enter. And then this one equals trim. Tab. This. Enter. Oops.
What is the issue?
Why is it? Hold on. There it is. No, why is it doing this?
Basically,
Maybe I'm just slow. Hold
you are
on.
not.
Yeah, I'm not
No.
clicking on the button.
Yes. Now it will be fine.
Why is it so annoying? Okay. Trim. Tab. Upper. Tab. And then. Oops.
No issue. It is asking you that you did not close the parentheses. Do you want to do this? I would say yes.
Okay.
Very good. Now,
Okay.
now my question is from Nicole. Nicole, I want to get how many characters I have in cell A8. How can I get it?
If you want to correct what?
I want to count how many characters in a cell A8, A9, A10. How can I get it? I want to find the length of the name. How can I get it? Not go there. Go to the cell G8. Apply the function that is
Okay.
cell G8.
D8.
G for good.
Okay.
Yes.